They told me that if I wanted to build an audience quickly, I had to give something away that had massive value. And I think this might be it. As an advisor for 25 years, I've developed an obvious bias. I happen to think that great financial advice is worth the fee. Unfortunately, I don't think most financial advice reaches the level of great financial advice. And this explains why most clients don't know the total cost of the advice they receive. And most advisors are afraid to go into too much depth about that cost because they're afraid of losing clients. All advisors talk about the 1%, which is, the fee that comes out of a client's account. Not everyone understands the total cost of that fee, which includes the lost compounding that would have occurred if the fee was never taken out of the account. Now, this is true of any money you spend, right? If this is the Dave Ramsey conversation around spending $6 a day on a coffee. Yeah, if you spend $6 a day on coffee, that's, $30 a week that doesn't go and build compounding, right? Same is true of your financial advice fee. You're going to pay the fee. It may be worth paying the fee. It may not be worth paying the fee. That's, up to you to decide. But you're also, by paying the fee, losing the compounding. And we just want to make sure that that's clear. Over time, that lost compounding is a big issue. The value of lost compounding eventually overshadows the total cumulative fee that clients pay. Now, everyone has a choice to get advice or not. If you want to make a better choice, you've got to know what you're paying, the total cost, and what you're getting for it. Knowing both of these items is the only way to know if it's worth it. Now, I created this spreadsheet to give you a level of transparency that most people probably have never had. As I prepare to release it into the world, I'm actually starting to get a little worried actually, that an advisor who doesn't want you to know this is going to come around and firebomb my house. Now, if you are that advisor and you're out there thinking, why are you doing this, Jonathan? Please don't firebomb my house. Instead, become a better advisor. Earn the higher fee. Now, if you're going to go the route of hiring an advisor to help you out, you should be absolutely sure what you're paying for and fully understand how that fee translates into lost opportunity for your compounding. This is what this report's going to tell you. What the report can't tell you is whether that advice you're receiving is worth the cost. Only you can determine that. I don't know what the advisor is doing for you. I will say this, if all they do is manage investments, then you're probably overpaying. The great financial advice that I referenced before includes investment management for sure, but also includes things like helping you understand what goals are worth pursuing, for a lifetime of happiness and well-being, helping you set those goals, appropriate goals to your financial circumstances, helping you manage both sides of the balance sheet, which includes debt, helping you budget as necessary, doing a periodic insurance analysis, doing regular tax planning, doing the retirement income plan, and then retirement, when you get into retirement, doing some retirement income maximization strategies, college planning, some family financial education, some estate planning, some work on philanthropic advice. In fact, many RIAs and financial advisors today have CPAs and attorneys on the team and will actually do your taxes and write up your estate plans for you at no additional cost. So if you're paying a traditional 1%-ish fee and you're not getting these services, then you might be overpaying. I just want to tell you what you're giving up. You have to decide whether it's worth it. If you want to see about doing it yourself, I'm happy to support you through our education and group coaching programs. If you want to think about a new advisor that simply does more for you, I'd be happy to introduce you to a member of our team, and they can help you with deep financial planning, walk you through what-if scenarios, put today's decisions in the lifetime context, mindfully bring perspective to volatile markets. They can support more informed decision-making. They can integrate tax management. They can teach your kids about money, and they can help you give it away to support the organizations that you love. If you're going to pay the fee, then you deserve the full range of the services. Thanks.